Today, I will be introducing what is CallTruth.com, what is it and what does it do. CallTruth.com is a data broker website that publishes private data publicly. Then by completing an opt-out form on CallTruth.com's website and have your email address verified, you will be able to remove your information from the company. In less than 48 hours, your record should be deleted. But have you ever wondered, how can I perform CallTruth.com opt-out process? Here's how to do CallTruth.com opt-out tasks by hand. Step 1. Visit the website to access CallTruth's opt-out page. Next, start the removal by clicking the person option. Third, click the submit button after entering your first and last names, city, and state. After that, locate your listing and select remove report. Next, after completing the CAPTCHA and entering a working email address, click send request. Step 6, you should have an email from CallTruth.com in your inbox. Select remove data from the menu. Lastly, your request for removal has been fulfilled. And within 48 hours, your data will be erased from CallTruth.com and you're now done. Now, it's your time to try it. Visit the link here.